What's up, y'all? Right Lifestyle back with another video. Probably don't want to be on camera, so I can do. Probably don't want to be on camera. So I'm just kidding. But headed to go pick up Nemesis. Got some work done. I told y'all I was getting some work done. Had some custom stuff done. I'm excited to see what it look like. It's gonna be a new look. So you know what that means. Gonna have to change the intro up to a new look. They gonna look good. Yeah, I'm all excited. I'm all antsy. I feel like a little girl. I was pacing around the house all day the whole time. So you're gonna take a left at this light right here. Pacing around and stuff. So we're gonna see what it look like. But y'all don't get to see yet. I'm gonna roll this intro.
Huh?
I know what that comic. Pull up, pop out. I don't know, my car was like, what the slow down. It's right here. You park here. Yeah. I don't know. In the backyard.
Oh, okay, I'm about to say.
Yeah, it's in the backyard. Man, we went out. So when I dropped my car off, we went out to a bar, right? And when we was out to the bar, we heard a Charger fly by, and he had different taillights. And it was like, bro, the dude doing your car, he joyriding your car. I was like, I don't know, but it sounds like it, don't it? Except that car was black. I know. I was like, man, buddy, we're joyriding in the whip. Yo, oh, we here. Yo, I done dropped my keys. Oh, it done broke.
What? Damn. Oh, it's old?
It closed in, yeah. It finally ripped.
Oh, so you were excited?
Yeah, it was holding on by like 2 threads. Oh, y'all, we here. We hit. Look at Nemesis with the hood up. All right, I'll catch y'all. So I'm currently in Nemesis right now. I finally picked her up. I ended up FaceTiming my son, so you know, I love showing him this stuff. So I'm gonna pull over when I get. Man, I just finished the video at my parents' crib. Oh, juicy mouth boy, about to spit everywhere. But yeah, so when I get home. I'll turn everything on, let y'all see everything. It's not completed yet. This is the beginning stages. It's not completed. I still got other stuff that's on order that's I'm waiting on to come in. And he's sending me another list of stuff to get, you know, to make it easier. So all in all, believe it or not, I'm not spending anywhere near what y'all think I'm spending for custom lights, which is crazy. So you gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. And this person just ran the light. And that's why I never go. I don't know about y'all, but I never go as soon as the light turns green if I know people can turn. Just because, you know, people like to try to, I'm making this light. I'm not sitting here. And now that's how accidents happen, you know? So I don't got time for that. I don't care about that. But anyway, like I was telling the other dude, though, I call him Anarchy. That's his name, Anarchy Customs. After these lights, I'm done with the pretty stuff, y'all. We going to the nitty gritty. Hey, it's time to get some horses. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of looking pretty with no horses. I mean, of course, the scat, the 392, for what it is actually pretty quick. People hate on it all the time, but you can't really hate on it too much because it is what it is. It's a scat. I mean, like it's actually meant to race. You know what I'm saying? So, well, I won't say that. It's meant to get you where you want to go pretty quick. So, I have fun with it. I'm happy with it. So, but when I get to the crib, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, what's crazy? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Don't y'all be skipping and fast forwarding through the video either. You wait like everybody else. Like I had to. Old lady driving weird. Uh-oh, y'all ready? Y'all ready? We almost there. What about just walking in place? Ain't really going nowhere. Just marching. Building up suspense. Y'all ready? Couple more things to do and I'm done with the pretty stuff. We on to the horses, you feel me? But that'll do it for this video, man. It was real quick. Just wanted to go pick her up. So thank y'all for watching. New subscribers, thanks for checking me out. Yeah, I just appreciate everything, man. I appreciate y'all motivating me to, get stuff done and do stuff, and y'all follow me on this journey. So as always, like, share, comment, subscribe. You don't like something, tell me what I did wrong to help me get better, But until next time, right lifestyle. Peace.